Learning English while talking about hobbies and travel is fun. Hobbies help us enjoy life. Travel helps us see new places. Both hobbies and travel make life exciting and interesting. Today, we will talk about hobbies and travel in simple English. Hobbies are activities we do for fun. They make our life happy and relaxing. Everyone has hobbies. Hobbies are very important because they give us time for ourselves. They help us feel calm and enjoy life. There are many types of hobbies. Some hobbies are creative. Creative hobbies help us use our imagination. For example, painting is a creative hobby. You can use colors and brushes to make beautiful pictures. Drawing is also creative. You can draw anything you like, animals, flowers, or even your favorite cartoon. Some people like writing. Writing stories or poems is a hobby that makes people think and imagine new things. Other hobbies are active hobbies. Active hobbies keep our body healthy. Sports are active hobbies. Football, basketball, cricket, and badminton are popular hobbies. Cycling is also a good active hobby. Walking in the park or running in the morning is an easy hobby that helps your health. Some people enjoy dancing. Dancing is fun and good exercise. Yoga is another hobby that is calm but helps both body and mind. Some hobbies are quiet and relaxing. Reading books is a quiet hobby. You can read stories, novels, or even magazines. Listening to music is also relaxing. Music makes people feel happy or calm. Gardening is another relaxing hobby. Planting flowers or vegetables can make your home beautiful and peaceful. Hobbies can also help us learn new skills. For example, cooking is a hobby. When you cook, you learn recipes and learn how to make healthy food. Photography is a hobby that helps you see the world in a new way. You learn about light, colors, and how to take good photos. Learning a new language can also be a hobby. It is fun to learn new words and speak in a new language. Hobbies are not only fun, but also help our mind. When we do hobbies, we feel happy and less stressed. Hobbies give us confidence. For example, if you learn to play a musical instrument, you feel proud when you play a song. If you finish a painting, you feel happy. Hobbies make us patient and creative. They help us focus and enjoy our free time. Everyone can have hobbies. You do not need expensive things or a lot of space. Simple hobbies like reading, walking, or drawing are enough. You can start small. Spend 10 or 15 minutes every day on your hobby. Slowly, your hobby can grow into something bigger and more exciting. Hobbies are also a way to meet new people. You can join clubs, classes, or online groups. If your hobby is sports, you can play with friends. If your hobby is writing or painting, you can share your work online. Meeting people with the same hobbies is fun. You can learn new ideas and tips from them. In short, hobbies make life colorful and happy. They help us relax, learn, grow, and enjoy every day. Everyone should have at least one hobby. A hobby is not a waste of time. It is an investment in yourself. Start today, try something new, and enjoy the world of hobbies.
Travel means going to new places. Travel is exciting and fun. When we travel, we can see new cities, towns, villages, or even countries. We can meet new people. We can try new food. We can learn about different cultures. Travel helps us understand the world better. Some travel is short. You can go to a nearby town or park for one day. Short travel is easy and does not need much money. Even short trips can be very fun. You can take photos, enjoy nature, and learn new things. You can go with family, friends, or alone. Short travel is a great way to relax and enjoy life. Other travel is longer. Long travel can be for a few days or weeks. You can visit another city or country. Long travel gives more time to explore new places. You can visit museums, historical places, mountains, or beaches. Long travel helps you experience life in a different way. You can see how people live in other places. You can learn their traditions, language, and food. Long travel is very educational and fun. Travel also teaches us new skills. When you travel, you learn to plan your trip. You learn to use maps, ask questions, and follow rules. You learn to communicate with people. If you speak English, you can ask for directions, order food, or make friends. Travel helps you become more confident and independent. Travel can also be a hobby. For example, if you like photography, you can take photos while traveling. If you like writing, you can write a travel diary or blog. If you like painting, you can draw the places you visit. Travel and hobbies together make your journey more fun and creative. Travel is not only about places. Travel helps you relax and feel happy. When life is busy, travel gives you time to rest. You can enjoy nature, listen to birds, walk on the beach, or watch the sunset. Travel makes your mind peaceful. You feel calm and refreshed after traveling. Even small travel can be special. You can discover new restaurants, parks, or markets in your city. You can meet new people. You can try new food. You can learn something new every day. Travel is not only for rich people. Everyone can travel in small ways. The most important thing is to explore and enjoy life. In short, travel makes life exciting and educational. Travel helps you learn, grow, and enjoy every moment. It is fun, relaxing, and sometimes challenging. If you start traveling slowly and plan carefully, you will see how wonderful the world is. Travel with an open heart. Enjoy the new experiences and learn something new every day.